This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Jessica Mayer. Looking for truly maintenance-free living at the base of the foothills? Well honey, stop the car, cause here it is. This 3-bed/2.5 BTH condo is located in the highly desired and well-kept subdivision of Royal Oaks in Maryville, Tennessee. Upon entering, you'll notice the gorgeous cathedral and trey ceilings and the fact that the main level has zero carpet. You'll also notice the abundance of windows, allowing significant natural light to pour through the home, enlarging the space and the beauty of the white, custom built-ins in the den/study. The entire home has also been freshly painted within the last 6 months, along with new ceiling fans, light fixtures, and kitchen appliances on the main level. The master bedroom has a gorgeous bay window that spills in an abundance of natural light and is also already equipped with a walk-in shower, whirlpool soaker tub, and double vanities in the attached master bath. In addition, you'll also find your laundry room is directly beside the master bedroom on the main level and includes a large utility sink. Upstairs, you'll have an additional bonus living or rec room, in addition to another large bathroom and 2 guest bedrooms. The HOA fees include garbage pickup, lawn and street maintenance, exterior maintenance, pressure washing, biannually, grounds and exterior insurance, and more. There is also a clubhouse that can be reserved for events, as well as a pool. The home is being sold as is and needs some minor TLC. Owner has recently made the following updates. New lighting on main level, November 2023. New HVAC unit for downstairs, January 2023. New hot water heater, 2023. New ceiling fans on main level, November 2023. Entire home painted, November 2023. Price well below recent tax appraisal and is ready for its new owner. For more information, review